time to lead smarter, not harder. Because when your team levels up, so does your business. The secret? Mastering the art of motivation to unlock your staff's potential for growth. All right, let's do this. I'm David Holland, the Managing Director of Talent Solutions at Employment Hero. And one of the most important things you can do for your staff is foster their growth, because when your team levels up, so can your business. You want team members that are enabled to make decisions, work independently, and display the culture of your business. And the only way you get that is through considered leadership. Leadership starts with values. Every business leader talks about them, but actually making them part of the day-to-day and modeling the behavior is where most fall short. If one of your values is customer first, do you celebrate the staff member who solves the problem and follows up with the customer to make sure things are running smoothly? If teamwork matters, do you make team catch-ups a priority even during busy weeks? Your values show up in what you do and the shadow you leave behind, not just what's written on the wall. When you're developing your people, start by connecting with them and understanding their strengths. Ask questions like, what parts of your job do you enjoy the most? When do you feel you're at your best? What would you like to learn next? Maybe your barista wants to cook, or your bookkeeper is great with customers. Those insights help match skills to the right roles. And when you align roles with strengths, people gain confidence and thrive. And that's when your business starts to grow. You also have to lean into giving feedback. Keep it simple and regular. Don't wait for problems to pile up. Focus on what's most important and share it clearly with genuine care. Even if the feedback is about improving a certain task, clarity, respect, and care will go a long way. For example, instead of saying you're too slow, try, if we do it this way, we can save an hour a day. Be specific about actions. Clear goals help people understand exactly what success looks like for themselves and the business. Yes, these conversations can be confronting for some people, but they don't have to be if you genuinely care about the outcome for the employees. So don't shy away from them. It's all part of setting the culture, and culture is a leader's job. We hire, promote, and part ways based on values alignment. We don't compromise, but we're human too. Everyone has bad days, and sometimes good people need a reset. What matters is how you handle it. And then for you and your team to grow, you need to share more responsibility. Hand over a task that's slightly outside someone's comfort zone. Explain why it matters and let them own it. It shows belief and builds capability. Done right, delegation helps you step back and your team to step up. Quick tip, remember that culture doesn't come from a department. It comes from leaders. Don't wait for permission to build a mission-led company. Set the bar, uphold it personally, and remember, your culture isn't what you say, it's what you model and what you tolerate. Try this one thing today. Have an honest, open check-in with each team member this week. Not about tasks, about how they're going. Listen more than you talk. Great leadership starts with genuine connection. To keep learning and growing, search CommBank Business Masterclass.